go. God darn it, ER210. Alright. WR120.
National Weather Service and
Jacksonville has issued a... Come on, hurry up.
It's for Flagler, Marion County in northern Florida, southeastern Putnam County in northeastern Florida, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Crescent City, moving northwest at 15 miles per hour.
First alert of the day.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crescent City, Salt Springs, Andalusia, Fruitland, Lake Como, and Georgetown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
SBR! Let's go! Why are you not activated? Is it for Osceola? Yup. Good job, Melbourne. ER10, you scared the heck out of me.
Moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard.
Let's go.
Per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source.
WCRC proceeds to say ceilings.
Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Kissimmee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Wait, what in the world? ER210, activate. There you go. Osceola again?
Florida until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
ER210, are you serious?
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near West Lake Tahoe, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and
another SVR.
Locations impacted include Kissimmee, St. Cloud, Buenaventura Lakes, East Lake Tahoe, and Narcoossee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Special weather statement. Significant weather.
Heck you! Shut up!
South Central Orange County and East Central Florida. North Central Osceola County and East Central Florida. Until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Narcoossee, moving northwest at 15 miles per hour.
I gotta take someone out of bed
Hazard,
with
60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail.
you.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Nah.
Locations
Let's do
impacted
WR300.
include Orlando, Kissimmee, Orlando International Airport, Buenaventura Lakes, and East Lake Tahoe. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.